You beckoned on me to love you with a wink of an eye. Glad I headed to your call without blinking an eye. You make butterfields grace my tummy. Hence, I went to have your babies anytime, son. I can't help but think of you, my darling. Cause I love the indelible smile you leave on my face, especially when the tiniest of your thought crosses my mind. I have no worries whatsoever, my love, for I have found a love that is blissful and true. I can't die poor anymore, for I am richer with your love inside of my world. Do not let me go, my darling. I went to lay by your side at night and walk by you under the shine of the sun. I love you truly with every fiber of my being. Your smile washes my worries away and put on the light when it is dark. It is by far the most miraculous asset of my life, for it changes and challenges everything. How blessed is the heart that can feel your beat and the arms that receive your warmth. How blessed I am to call you my own. Thought I find myself unworthily, it has your love called me by my name and lifted me up to take a seat by your throne. There is no love more honorable than this one you have shown to me. Hence, I will do love with gratitude, forgiveness, giving, and sacrifice. I will do love you with every drop of sweat and of blood. This I confuse with every sense of dignity. I remember the time I was likened to a chaff, a worthless jewel, but your coming brought maximum fulfillment to my life. You gave me a sense of pride. You brought me life and took away my numbness to life. How can repay you then to love you until the day I give you my final breath? You deserve everything good and valuable. You deserve my life. I promise to be committed to you no matter the tribulations and temptations that blow like an evil wind. I am yours forever. Likewise is everything that I own. You are the love I have been searching for. You made my heart pour. Cause you taught me how to love genuinely. Your heart is like a star that shines without blinking. I promise to follow your step every day of my life. If you happen to go the wrong way, I promise to bring you back with a loving hand. I will do treat you well with kind words. I will do let my actions speak volume of my sincere love for you. There is no other place I will do rather be than within your warmest arms. I am here to love you and to stay. You will never find me wanted, cause I will do always be around you forever. I will do be your guide just like a dream. The stars let me to you. My heart shivered away from lust to love you. Were the irresistible force that drew me to the right path. My heart can only love now because you are the reason I am in love. My eyes become dilated if they are set on you and you alone. There is no other way to say this. I love you my whole life. I will do go on proving my feelings to you, case it is going to be a never ending journey. Justice me when I am wrong, for I don't want to displace you in any way. I am here to love you in the way you desire. Nothing can come in between us. We are stronger than the bond between a mother and a child. Thanks for watching video.